Hello guys, we are making chicken lollipop. We should take ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, rice powder, egg, red chili powder, garam masala, and we should take lollipop of chicken. Now we should put red chili powder, and we should put garam masala, and we should put ginger garlic paste, and we should put turmeric powder, we should only add egg white. We should not put the yellow one. We should put rice powder. We should put salt. We should mix well, and we should close the lid and keep aside for 1 hour. We should heat the oil and we should fry the lollipop of chicken. And now we should fry for 15 minutes. Now our chicken lollipop is ready to eat. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.